In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change component to AV in Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any model of Samsung TV, you will be able to manage the connection type and change it accordingly to AV. So you will be able to go into the options and manage this connection type according to what you have connected. So the first thing, obviously, is to make sure that you have all of the cables properly inserted and connected. Usually there will be a dedicated section on the back of your Samsung TV where you will be able to manage these connections. All that you have to do here is plug the appropriate cable into the proper port. So make sure that they are all plugged in accordingly. Usually it is going to be labeled component/AV in. And as long as you have all of these connections established according to your needs, you will be able to change it inside of the actual TV settings. So once you are done connecting and ensuring that all the plugs were enabled, go over to the source options. So power on your TV and then choose the source or input settings. Immediately upon selecting source or input settings, you will see all the connections type, including AV. So you will be able to find both component and also AV. So the option that you are looking for is going to be available under the sources, and as soon as you select it from here, you will be able to use the AV connection that you have established to your Samsung TV. Of course, you have the other standard ones like HDMI, more HDMI ports here as well, and any sort of external connections that you have. But if you want AV, it is going to be listed here alongside component, and all that you have to do is make sure that you plug the appropriate cables. Depending on your model of Samsung TV, this interface might be different, but for the universal remote, all that you have to do is choose the source option by selecting this button here at the top right corner of the remote. If you have a different TV model, then browse through these settings, and as long as you go inside of the settings, you should also be find sources or input, and you will be able to change them there when you access the settings for your Samsung TV. I hope I was able to help you on how to change component to AV in Samsung TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.